The disposal of data and its storage devices has become a challenge for many cyber users, since most cyber users are always getting their information, either it's getting leaked online or in the hands of the wrong persons. Even after disposing of their data on digital data storage like a solid-state drive, a compact disc, a hard drive, a diskette, pen drives, mobile phones, papers, memory cards, and even on the cloud that may have contained their sensitive information. So, for the purpose of your digital data privacy, I've compiled the most secured and recommended ways to dispose of your digital data on a digital storage media. Let's begin by first defining the word disposal in the context of data in information technology. The act of disposing of digital data or a digital data storage media is a form of data management policy that contributes to data protection, data privacy, and data integrity assurance. Because data storage devices is the main hub of keeping both sensitive and non-sensitive data, the methods of disposing of data storage media and devices is of utmost importance. And for this reason, let us identify the best and the most recommended methods of disposing of any type of data storage media or data storage device. The first recommended way of disposing of data on a data storage media like hard drive, a solid-state drive, pen drive, or a compact disc is either by drilling or crashing. The drilling and crashing of data storage devices to a state of point beyond repairs is one of the best recommended methods to dispose of a data storage media device like a pen drive, a solid-state drive, a hard drive, a diskette, and a compact disc. This is because it is impossible to conduct a cyber reverse engineering for a forensic data acquisition on a properly random drilled and crashed a data storage media device like a pen drive, a hard drive, a solid-state drive, a diskette, and a compact disc. Another recommended way to dispose of a data storage device like a hard drive storage media device is through degassing, which is the process of decreasing or eliminating the remnant magnetic field in a hard drive. Due to the effectiveness of degassing hard drives, degassing of hard drives have been the preferred method for erasing of data on a hard drive by many for decades now. It is important to note that degassing doesn't work on solid-state drives since data is not stored magnetically on a SSD. The act of burning into ashes or burning a motherboard beyond repairs of a data storage media like pen drives, mobile phones, tablets, memory cards, diskettes, a compact disc, a paper, and a solid-state drive is another recommended way to dispose of data on a digital storage media device. This is because all mobile devices that has the ability to store data internally always have an internal memory embedded on its motherboard. So, not damaging the motherboard of a mobile device beyond repairs may still cost you, since data stored in an internal memory of a repairable mobile device can be retrieved by a cyber forensic professional like me. Caution: never issue out any of your mobile device that may contain any sensitive information to a relative or a friend, even if you should factory reset it, flash or format it. This is because data flashed or formatted on a mobile device can be restored for retrieval. For this reason, never issue out your mobile device that may contain any sensitive information. Rather, damage it beyond repairs. Another caution is to always insist that your faulty mobile device must be repaired in your presence, and never leave your faulty mobile device to be repaired in your absence, since out of curiosity, most technicians are fond of glancing through or copying data from their clients' mobile devices after they are done repairing it. For those who often save your data on cloud storage, I urge you to never save your sensitive data on a cloud storage, since you have no absolute control over data stored in the cloud. Also, be reminded that data stored in the cloud storage can be compromised or hacked. For this reason, I recommend you to always store your sensitive information on data storage media like pen drives, compact discs, solid-state drives, memory cards, papers, and a hard drive, since you have absolute control over such data media storage devices. Last on the list of recommended methods of disposing of data storage media is electronic shredding and burning of data storage media like compact discs, diskettes, pen drives, and papers containing sensitive information. but just shredding and only burning papers containing sensitive information is not recommended. This is because an excellent cyber reverse engineer like me can perform an advanced cyber reverse engineering on the just shredded or burnt paper and retrieve any sensitive information that was shredded or burnt off. So, for this reason, I highly recommend you to always shred and then burn compact discs, diskettes, pen drives, and papers containing sensitive information into ashes. It's important to note that microwaving a hard drive in order to dispose of data on it is not a best practice. Using any of these methods to dispose of your digital data on data storage media like hard drives, solid-state drives, pen drives, papers, mobile phones, tablets, and compact discs will guarantee you of your data protection and integrity. This video is strictly for cybersecurity awareness and educational purpose only.